Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to explain how the carburetor can cause your lawnmower to over-rev or prevent it from revving up. The carburetor brings fuel and air together in the perfect ratio for combustion. The carburetor's throttle plate opens and closes to control the amount of air and fuel that reaches the engine, and in turn, revs the engine up and down. If your engine is over-revving, the throttle plate may be stuck open, allowing much more air and fuel than is needed for normal operation. The throttle plate is often stuck open due to old fuel left in the carburetor, turning to varnish and gluing the throttle plate open. A throttle plate that is stuck open is a serious problem, as it will allow the engine to overspeed, which can cause the connecting rod to break. If your engine won't rev up, you might have the opposite problem. The throttle plate may be stuck in the closed position. A partially plugged main jet can also cause this problem. In either case, the engine will typically fail to rev up and then stall and die. Either problem can be fixed by either cleaning or replacing the carburetor.